Good evening, my dear students. Course 1.1.4. ফার্স্ট হাফ ফার্স্ট হাফ না এটাই। যাই হোক, আমরা পড়াচ্ছিলাম, আমরা এর আগের দিন আলোচনা করছিলাম নম চমস্কি সম্পর্কে আমরা একটু প্রথম ক্লাসটা করেছিলাম। চমস্কি, ঠিক আছে। তো ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ থিওরি অফ চমস্কি, today's our class topic, importance of language. Importance of language theory of Chomsky. যদি ভাষাগত বিশ্বজনীনতা চমস্কির একটি কিন্তু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ অবদান, আর ভাষাগত পার্থক্য থাকলেও প্রতিটি ভাষার ব্যাকরণের মধ্যে একটি মূলগত ঐক্য কিন্তু বর্তমান। বিশ্লেষণের মাধ্যমে চমস্কি তাকে তুলনা করেন। যাই হোক, যদি আমরা চমস্কি ভাষাবিজ্ঞান সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করি তাহলে কী দাঁড়ায়, বিষয়টা এরকম দাঁড়াবে যে চমস্কি most fundamental contribution has been to open the way for the cognitive natural science. His specific model for human language transformational generative grammar can be regarded as a confluence of traditional and new understanding provided by the formal science in the last 1930s, particularly recursive function theory. The basic idea in that a sentence is that result of a computation producing a derivation beginning with an abstract structural representation sequentially altered by structure dependent operation transformation. Chomsky's unusual knowledge of philosophy, logic, and mathematics allowed him to make this model Chomsky written output is truly prodigious in composition in linguistics alone. Dozens of books and nearly 200 articles. His first substantial contribution to the development of generative grammar was his BA thesis 1949 and examination of certain morphemic alternatives, alternations in modern Hebrew. Over the next few years, while a junior fellow of the Society of Fellows at Harvard University. Chomsky wrote the logical structure of linguistic theory, a monumental work completed in 1955 but published and only in part 20 years later, that laid out the formal basis for a complete theory of linguistic structural. Next, the concepts and technical notions that were to become central of theoretical linguistics for all next. Chomsky most several decades were developed in this paper, including the crucial ideas of abstract. The year 1965 witnessed the publications of Chomsky's next major books, Aspects of the Theory of Syntax, which made fully explicit the role of linguistics in the investigation of human minds. Its first chapter remains one of the clearest and most forceful exposition of the major goal of generative and accounts of how the child presented with limited evidence developed a composition system making possible the production and comprehension of the unlimited number of brand new sentences. Okay, thank you.